Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. In this episode of Monday Show, I'm going to do the speed test of iPhone 6 in 2020 because this iPhone 6 is a very old device, but people still uses this device and they really love their iPhone 6 or even 6s. I don't have the 6s right now. I bought the iPhone 6 just to test some games and it is the 128GB version, brand new. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna do a giveaway of this device because I just don't need this device for any reason. Okay, stay tuned for that thing. By the way, let's see how well iPhone 6 performs in 2020. So if you know how we do our speed test, is very simple. We have 3 rounds: basic sections, social sections and game section, and after that we do the RAM management and the boot times test. So in the basic section, we're gonna open all the apps like phone, messages, calendar, calculator, photos, camera, settings, map, app store, files, YouTube, Spotify, Safari, mail, pretty much these apps. And in the social section, we're gonna open Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. And in the game sections, we're gonna open PUBG, Free Fire, Subway Surfer and Temple Run. So let's start with the phone. Here's the dialer, very fast. Here's the message, pretty fast. Here's the calendar, okay, very good. And we need the calculator. Where's the calculator? Calculator, good. And we need the photos, pretty good. After that we have the camera, yeah, very fast. After that we have the settings, not so fast but okay, usable. Where is the Google Wala map? No, I don't have the Google map, so let's open Apple map. So here's the Apple map and let's open App Store and it's loading and loaded. Nice. After that we have like files. Here's the files, very good. After that we have YouTube, loading. We're waiting, it's taking a little long time, that's not good. Okay, YouTube loaded, nice. After that we have Spotify, pretty good. Spotify open, and we have Safari open, and finally we have the email. And with that wraps up our first round. Okay, next round, social section. We're gonna open all the social applications. Let's open Facebook, pretty good. Messenger, all right, very nice, much better than a lot of Android mid-range devices. Twitter, it's taking a long time. Twitter, nice, loaded. Instagram, and Instagram loaded. WhatsApp, WhatsApp loaded, nice. Okay, that was it. So now let's go to the game section. The game sections is really hard because this is A8 and it's not powerful believe me. Okay, let's start with PUBG, and PUBG is loading and we're waiting for it to load. It's loading and we can sing some song because it is not gonna load in 10 seconds, 5 seconds, because it's not iPhone 11 Pro Max, not even iPhone XS Max. It's the iPhone 6. It is the halfway device of iPhone 11 Pro Max, literally. When the 12 comes, this is going to be the 50% of the device. Yeah. Okay, loading. Okay, loaded, nice. After that we have Free Fire. Let's see. Free Fire, come on. Why it's waiting? Free Fire loaded, very good. Free Fire coming on, and hey camera, don't do this. Okay, Free Fire loading. Free Fire. Okay, Free Fire. Okay, Free Fire. Okay, after that we're gonna open Subway Surfer. Subway Surfer, come on, faster. Yep, Subway Surfer loaded. Temple Run, and Temple Run is coming. Temple Run, come on. Yep, Temple Run, yeah, very good. Temple Run is loaded. All right, so we have completed all the sessions. Now let's go to our another section, that is RAM management. We're gonna open all the apps. Let's see how many apps are open in the background. Should I start from the beginning? Yep, let's go to the phone. Very surprised, it has 1GB of RAM, and okay, it's reload. 1GB of RAM, and let's see how many apps it can hold. two apps reloaded, calculator, and let's go photos, cameras, nice. Nice. Files, reload. Okay, let's go to setting, not reload, that's good. Let's go to map, not reload, that is also good. Let's go to app store. Okay, it's also there. Let's go to YouTube, it's also there. Very amazing and surprising. I'm just getting surprised that much. Okay, let's go to app store, Spotify. All right, man. I can't really believe 1 GB of RAM. My words are just not there. It is holding all of the apps. Most of the apps are already open. That's really nice. Let's go mail reloaded, but that's what it is expected, but it is running very well, believe me. Okay, let's go to our social sections. Facebook, nice. I have to say it's a big thumbs up. Messenger, reload. Next one is, which is the next one? I just forgot it. Twitter. Okay, nice. And where is the Instagram, man? Hey, hello, Instagram, not reloaded. Is it really what it is happening? I can't believe that it can hold this much apps. I didn't know that. I really didn't know that. WhatsApp, it's another reload, but it did pretty well for 1 GB of RAM. Let's go for like all the games. Let's go for PUBG, reload. I see that. Let's go for Free Fire, reload. I saw that. Subway Surfer, reload. Temple Run. All right, Temple Run is there. Nice. At least one game is there. It's good. Okay, so all our sections and all our sessions are completed. Now we're gonna do the last section, that is boot up test. Let's see how long time it take to boot up. Let's go and slide to power off. But there is a major con on this device, that is this device gets pretty warm. Here you can see I don't have thermometer. If I had, I could show you. It is really warm at this part, so it's a big problem. Okay, let's go and boot this device up. Ready, 3 2 1, boom. All right, it's coming. Nice. It's not the best, but okay, it's going on. Let's see how much of a time it takes. All right, we're inside of the phone, and it's a really good thing. So this device is very good for 2020 if you want to do like use regular apps like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You want to use some calculator, messengers, normal applications, Spotify, music playing, then this device is very good. But for gaming and other tasks, this is not a good device, believe me or not. So in my opinion, you can buy this device in 2020. So iPhone 6 in 2020 is good. That was the speed test of iPhone 6 in 2020. See you in another one. If you like this one, be sure to thumbs up, and if you have some suggestions, then be sure to comment down. I'll just reply you, or I'll just try to do that way. Anyway, that was all for this one. Goodbye.